Ever pondered about the rich heritage of Native American culture? Our journey today takes us on a voyage through time, exploring the top 5 Native American heritage sites, each with its own unique story and historical significance. We will venture into the heart of the Crazy Horse Memorial, wander through the iconic Navajo Nation Monument Valley, marvel at the Bear Lodge's geological wonder, step back in time at Acoma Sky City, and reflect upon the poignant history of the Wounded Knee Massacre site. Let's dive deep into these historical treasures. Our journey begins with the Crazy Horse Memorial in South Dakota. This ongoing masterpiece is the world's largest mountain carving in progress, a testament of artistic prowess and perseverance. It's more than just stone and labor. It's a tribute to Crazy Horse, a revered Lakota leader. This immense carving is a symbol, a beacon, illuminating the rich, vibrant heritage of North American Indians. A monument that stands tall, mirroring the pride and spirit of the Native Americans. Next, we traverse the iconic landscape of the Navajo Nation Monument Valley. A place where earth meets sky, this valley holds deep significance in Navajo culture. It's a landscape that has been shaped by centuries of wind and water, creating a desert terrain that's as beautiful as it is stark. This tranquil valley has also found a place in American Western films, becoming an emblem of the rugged frontier. It's more than just a landscape, it's a narrative of the Navajo people, a testament to the Navajo culture and an iconic symbol of the American West. We then journey to the Bear Lodge, or as many know it, the Devil's Tower in Wyoming. This geological marvel, standing tall against the skyline, was the first to be declared a national monument in the United States. Its significance stretches beyond the visual, as it holds a sacred place in the hearts of several Native American tribes. They see it as a symbol of strength, a beacon of spirituality. It's a place where nature and culture blend seamlessly. A monument that intertwines natural wonders with rich cultural heritage. Our exploration takes us next to the Acoma Sky City in New Mexico. This place holds a special aura of antiquity, being one of the oldest continuously inhabited settlements in North America. For centuries, the Acoma Pueblo people have called this place home, shaping their lives around the rhythm of the land. The stories etched into the landscape here speak volumes about their rich history and cultural significance. Acoma Sky City stands today as a living testament to the resilience and the enduring spirit of the Acoma Pueblo people. Lastly, we visit the Wounded Knee Massacre site in South Dakota. This ground bears silent witness to the tragic end of the Indian Wars, a grim chapter in both Native American history and U.S. policies. Here, the echoes of the past resonate, underscoring the profound impact of these events that continue to shape the present. A poignant reminder of the struggles endured, yet it also stands testament to the resilience and enduring spirit of Native Americans. A site of profound historical significance, reminding us of the struggles and resilience of Native Americans.